Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you again for joining me. And now before we jump right in, I just want to have a little disclaimer. I am not a tax professional, I am not a financial advisor, I am not a business consultant. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube sharing content that can help my subscribers, master their personal finance and grow wealth. So in today's video, we're going to talk about small business ideas for 2022 that you can start in 2022. So the first one's going to be childcare business. So you can start a childcare business with everybody going back to work today. Couples having kids and also having to go back to work after the health situation we just went through. There's a high demand for childcare services. So if you have experience in this area, or if you like working with kids, then this would be a great business for you to start in 2022. The next one would be to be a virtual trainer. So if you're a fitness trainer or you're into fitness, this would be a great area to start a business in, because everybody is very conscious now in terms of our health. So it makes sense, for you to become a fitness trainer. So you can become a virtual fitness trainer. The next, you can become a web developer. So web developers help with building websites, maintaining websites and stuff like that. And like I said, with a lot of people now starting businesses, there's a lot of opportunities now for people to assist with developing websites, and you also get to work virtually, so you don't really have to be in an office setting if you're a web developer. There are lots of platforms where you can actually market your services and also help people develop websites. The next is you can become an executive assistant. So if you're someone who's very detailed, and you can help executives manage their time, manage their events, manage their calendar, set appointments and stuff like that. So you can become pretty much a virtual executive assistant, where you're helping provide a service and you can work from home. You don't necessarily have to be in an office setting. As long as you have a phone and internet connection, you can pretty much be a virtual executive assistant. The next one is you can be an IT consultant. Now, most of these businesses I'm talking about will require some skills. So to be an IT consultant, it's almost like a web developer, but in this case, you assist businesses with their IT needs, recommending programs and suggestions on what they can do to improve their customer experience on their websites and stuff like that. So this is another great area. Next would be a social media consultant, or you can start a social media agency, whereby everything today is all about social media. So in terms of YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn. So you can become a social media consultant, whereby you provide a service to help businesses use the power of social media to attract more customers, engage their current customers, and grow their market share. The next one is you can become an event planner. So you can plan events for people, such as reunions, high school reunions. You can be an event planner, whereby you're providing that service for people, or for families, or for schools, whereby people are trying to create events for their high school reunion or college reunion and stuff like that. The next will be, just bear with me, I'm driving and I'm trying to provide this quick video. Okay, the next would be if you start a pet care service, whereby there are different areas in the pet care niche. So you can actually provide pet daycare, whereby you can help people babysit or pet sit or whatever their pets. You can take them out for walks. you can stay with the pets at home while the owners are maybe at work or travel, stuff like that. So you can start a pet care service whereby you provide valuable service for pet owners, who are either traveling or at work or whatever. Okay, so there's a great demand. Then the next would be, you can be a notary. So how many times have you had a situation where you had to have documents notarized? Okay, so you can go through a little certification process where you become a notary. I'm also a notary because of my job. I'm a notary, so I do help clients notarize documents. So this is another area where you can actually become a notary, and you can charge people who are doing virtual closings for contracts and stuff like that. So you can actually go to people and have them sign documents, and you can notarize the documents, and you can charge for your service. And then finally, now most of these businesses I'm talking about, this is not everything. I mean, there are lots of businesses out there that you can start in 2022, but this is just a snapshot of certain businesses that you can start inexpensively and get yourself going. The final one I'm going to talk about is network marketing. Now, most people today have a bad taste when it comes to network marketing. Most people see it as something where you're bothering friends and family, you're pestering people, you're spamming people's social media pages with links to your network marketing company. As a matter of fact, network marketing is a very thriving industry. Yes, there are unscrupulous businesses out there that you have to be aware of, but at the same time, there are lots of opportunities for you to create an income for yourself. So network marketing is a great way for you to start a business inexpensively. Okay, you already have the backing of the company that you're network marketing for. Okay, you already have their systems, you have their products, you have their services, but like everything else, you need to do your due diligence. Okay, based on the statistics I saw, okay, network marketing industry pays out $200 million every single day, okay, to their distributors. I mean, that's a lot of money. That's $200 million every single day. I know there are people out there that think network marketing is a pyramid scheme, but there are pyramid schemes when it comes to network marketing. And most companies today are run as a pyramid. Okay, you have your CEO at the top, you have your vice president, then you have your department heads, and then you have the general employee in a company. So it is set up as a pyramid. Okay, so when people talk about network marketing or direct sales or multi-level marketing as a pyramid scheme, well, your regular job is set up as a pyramid. So is your regular job a pyramid scheme? Okay, so don't get fooled, or don't let people discourage you from joining or starting a network marketing business, because that's one of the simplest ways for you to start your own home business. Or start a business online, because most companies today are doing everything online. So I hope you found value in this video, and like I said, I'll have some links down below on some of these things that I've talked about. So make sure you check the first link there, and you'll have some opportunities for you to be able to check things out and eventually start your own business. So I hope you found value in this video, and as usual, if you like my video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest video. So thank you again for being here with me, and as usual, make sure you leave comments down below. I like your feedback, and I want to thank you all for helping this channel grow, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So take care, everyone. Make sure you watch the next video coming up. It's got information that you'll find valuable. Take care. Bye-bye.